Hello! Welcome to today's video. Today we're doing Birchbox for December. Want to see what we got in December's Birchbox? Sit back, take a break. Alright, welcome. If you are new here, we're glad you're here. This is Chaos Break. I'm Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And we do lots of makeup related things, subscription boxes, trying new things, shopping, hanging out, being weird.
Mostly being weird.
Mostly, yeah.
So
what's in there? Well, this is the box. Here's the box.
This is the box. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
How much is Birchbox?
What? I paid. Remember, I paid for a year, and you got a discount.
$10 a month?
So I think it's about 10 plus shipping, and then you get a discount for buying so many months.
Okay.
So
okay. And it comes monthly. You get what, 5 things usually?
$10 off your next order. Birchbox Man. That's their new thing. Birchbox Man.
Birchbox Man.
So,
why is it Birchbox Man?
they send you a man. You can get men's products.
Oh,
like
no.
the same
Oh,
thing.
okay.
I just don't see guys into it so much.
I don't know. Sometimes Target has beauty boxes for men.
I know.
Or like
I
men's
don't know.
subscription
Maybe they
boxes.
are. Who knows?
So this month the card says, what's meant to be will find a way. Here's to reflecting on an amazing year behind us. Looking to the fresh start ahead and always remembering there's even greater plans for you lined up in the stars. Excuse us if you hear the background noise. Dog is outside barking. Children are everywhere.
Here.
So
They're around.
that's what it is today.
First one is that D? Divines. It's not part of the
Yeah,
one.
Divines.
Divines all-in-one milk. This is for your hair.
This nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. So these are, sometimes they're full size, but usually they're not. But the full size of this sells for $34. I don't know if I like the way that smells.
I think it's pleasant.
It's not bad. What's it?
I'm gonna see if Amy doesn't like it and I'll spray it on my hair.
Because she loves me.
I don't know. I think it's pleasant. It's got a
I know I
smell.
read it, but what it's supposed to do? It's a leave-in detangler while adding volume, shine.
Add shine, add softness and silkiness. Excellent detangling powder. Okay. Facilitates combing of dry and wet hair. Controls frizz. It does everything.
It does it all. It's
Well, it is an all-in-one milk, so I guess it does make sense.
What's next?
We just made a miniature ad for that. We don't even know what it is. Vanilla Grapefruit. The Healthy Fragrance by La Vanilla.
Notes of crisp cedarwood and warm Madagascan vanilla mixed with sparkling pink grapefruit, made for an energizing scent cocktail.
Why not? Are you going to smell me?
It was.
Awkward. Sorry.
I'll do the rest of the video like this.
Here, want to smell like it?
Sure.
Okay.
Hope I like it.
Now we match. I guess you'll have a shower if you don't.
I don't know. What's that
Do you ever put on something and just like you don't like it? You just like
Yes.
it so much.
Yes. Or it gives me a headache, because certain smells give me a headache.
Some people say you should spray your shirts before you put them on instead of yourself.
Huh. Interesting.
Okay. Oh. I thought you knew what this was, but maybe.
Roller Lash.
Benefit. I've seen this.
This mascara's brush is made with tiny soft hooks, which instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash.
Where was this earlier?
Wiggle the wand from base to tip, and then curl up for extra lift.
There's instructions on how to put your mascara on now?
Full size of this retails for $25. This is one I have not tried, but I've heard it. Some people really like it.
But apparently I really did need help because mine's all glumpy today.
I don't think your eyelashes look bad.
Just look a little closer. See, Amy's look better. She's wearing the same mascara. You get your face up in there.
Oh my gosh.
You're abused to me all the time. Don't act like he is.
You know what part of me wants to do?
What?
Just kiss you because my lips are bright red. That sounded really weird, but Tyler, your face was so close to my face and you were being smart and I was just like,
put red lipstick on my face.
Yes, yes.
I get it, but it's
okay,
hilarious.
I don't really want to kiss you.
I am pretty cute. I mean,
Well, that's true and I love you, but not that way. That's kind of interesting looking.
It doesn't look like there's anything on there, though, really. I mean, I already have so much mascara on, I already try it.
Huh. I know that some people really like that, though.
And
I've never
seen
tried
this
that one.
When we go to Ulta, I think I've seen this one, and I thought about it. But I don't know why. I was drawn to it.
It's $25 full size.
Mascara is one of the things I actually like.
She loves mascara.
I use
the mascara that we have on is Essence. We just bought it. Princess.
I have it. You want me to get it?
Something. No.
Okay.
Princess.
I don't know.
It's the green one. I really liked it.
Sure, you don't want me to get it?
No, it's
Okay.
Princess something. I don't know. It's the green one.
It's nice. Oh,
Very affordable.
this is... I kind of like these little tiny things because you can put these, you know, in your pocket or whatever.
And you have more options and you're not have so much product that you're
Right.
wasting because you can't go through it.
All right, this is Expensive Taste. Oven?
It's a Q though.
Oh, is it cute?
Cuvin? Cuvine? Cuvine Studio?
Cream?
Queen? There's no U, it's Q
Like
V
queen, only with a V. Is that showing up or is it shining back at it?
It's shining back at it.
Okay, well,
So
I
this
could have just
is
done this.
matte lip satin. I'm guessing it's Expensive Taste is the color. So full size it's $14. Not only does this liquid lipstick impart rich, long-lasting color, but it also continuously hydrates lips so they never feel dry or tight.
Really? It's very bright. I rubbed it a little bit.
That might be one that if you like how like that looks, you might be able to put it on and rub it off so you just have the staining from it.
I like how it shows all the wrinkles in my hand.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I didn't mean to
Bleeding.
rub your skin too hard.
I'm broken. I can't work tonight.
Neither can I.
Yeah,
Amanda and I both work together, so...
But you hurt me, so you have to.
We actually work in a bakery, so I know I talked about that a little bit on a comments of another video or something, and so if there was ever any interest in that, we could do stuff about that too, but...
I feel like this was a mistake.
Let me see. I don't think it's that bad. It's a little patchy, though.
It's just hard to see.
It's a little patchy. Careful. I'm saying careful to you.
Okay.
I was saying careful to the little one that was shaking the table.
Well, I was saying it to myself in my head. Careful.
Don't get it on your teeth. I don't usually wear red lipstick, but this one I don't feel like it's too bad.
This is kind of a... Not a quite red. It's kind of a...
Pink.
Is it pink?
Bright pink? I think it's picking up a little more red on there, but it looks more like pink to me. It's so dramatic.
And we have Air Repair.
What?
Air Repair Eye Cream. Super hydrating.
So the full size of this is $24.50. This potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths out fine lines, and soothes your under eye area for a brighter, wide awake look in seconds. All right, Amanda, time to wake up.
I needed that. I'll just put this next to my coffee machine every morning.
Just fake it till you make it. I don't know.
What do you think I've been doing?
Oh, I know what you've been doing. Trust me. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about that either. Amy's that roll.
I'm on a roll of awkward comments today. I'm just gonna go back to bed.
I'll probably like break out red rash or something because I'm just kidding. That'd be funny though.
I don't mind the lipstick. Do you notice a difference though?
I can feel. It actually feels a little sticky.
I feel like it brightened under there actually though. When I'm editing, I will look and see if we can notice a difference from before and after.
Oh, my eyes.
Yes, your eyes.
I took my lipstick. I was like, yeah, it's red. Duh.
We both worked last night, so we're both dingle hoppers today. It's under you. Hey. What, dingle hoppers? I don't even know what a dingle hopper is.
Never mind.
Dingle hoppers under you?
That's what she said. Sorry, we're going to have to edit this.
I just realized I didn't fill in my eyebrows today.
Oh, here you go.
I don't think that's for that. The nice
Well,
try.
how about this one? It's almost brown.
That's not that though.
Oh.
It's
this? Okay, so the last thing in the box.
The bag box. Bag.
The box.
Birchbox.
Yeah.
December.
Is
Last thing.
the same brand of this.
Interesting.
In
These are both bonuses.
shampoo and conditioner. Yay! So now you know, just use this, then use this. And...
This says O or O? So O or O? Oi, O-I or O-L, I don't know.
But
conditioner and shampoo. These retail full size $31 for shampoo, $38 for the conditioner. They're for all hair types. You'll love this ultra hydrating paraben and sulfate free shampoo for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine, improves texture, and protects hair from UV rays.
I got it when the child shakes the table, we'll just go earthquake. Yeah. We live in Michigan, we get a lot of those.
We don't even have snow. That's okay.
See, we never know.
You never know what's going to happen in
I'm
Michigan.
monsoon tomorrow.
This conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients like Rucou. I have no idea.
Like what?
Rucou. R-O-U-C-O-U oil. I've never heard of that, have you?
Mm-mm.
Which protects hair from UV rays and heat damage, which we don't have right now.
Don't have any UV rays right now. That doesn't happen.
We'll barely get the sun. But anyways, plus apricot butter, which adds softness.
Apricot butter.
Apricot butter.
Just make butter out of anything.
You put butter in anything. That was Birchbox for December.
I like it. It's not bad.
Think it was worth the money?
Yeah, I do. It's like, I mean, if you pay for the year, then I think it was like, I want to say it was like almost $9, 8 something a month if you pay for the year.
Cool.
So, I mean, it's not bad.
No. Alright. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. We will see you next time. And I'm not sure when this one's going to go up. Probably before Christmas. I'll probably do this one.
You really only have a day then.
Maybe Monday if I get moving. Regardless, if it's already past Christmas, it's, what day is it now? The
If
23rd.
it's past Christmas, Happy New Year.
The 23rd. We hope you have a happy holiday, however you celebrate, whatever you do, it's safe and happy and fun. And if it's past that, Happy New Year. Hope that's fun too. Bye-bye.